In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate through some of the basic features of using Squarespace for website creation and customization. We'll be focusing on the essential actions that will help you start building and editing your website effectively. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to the Squarespace website. This is where the magical journey of creating your very own website begins. Type Squarespace into your browser's address bar and hit enter. This will bring you to their homepage, a well-designed platform that promises simplicity combined with powerful design tools. Now that you're on the Squarespace site, your next step is to find the Website tab. This is where you'll be able to start crafting the main component of your online presence. Look for the Edit button, usually prominently displayed to make it super easy to find and click. This button is your gateway to personalizing every aspect of your site, from the layout to the visuals. After hitting Edit, you'll be presented with a variety of options to tailor your site. One of the primary actions you can take here is adding blocks. These blocks are the building materials of your website and can contain a vast array of content. Click on Add Block, and you'll be greeted with a plethora of options, anything from embedding calendars to inserting text fields, images, or even videos. This functionality allows you to construct a website that's not only informative, but also visually appealing and interactive. As you work with these blocks, remember that the power of your site comes from how well you can deploy these elements to engage and inform your audience. Consider how your visitors will navigate your content and what elements will make their journey more intuitive and enjoyable. Make sure your text is readable, your images are crisp, and any media is appropriately embedded to enhance, not detract from the user experience. Once you're satisfied with the blocks you've added and the layout of your pages, you can take a step back and review your handiwork. Here's a tip: preview your site on different devices to ensure it looks great, whether on a desktop, tablet, or phone. Squarespace offers responsive templates, but a quick check never hurts. Sometimes small tweaks are needed to make sure everything aligns perfectly across different screens. And just like that, you're done. You've successfully navigated through editing your website on Squarespace. Whether you're crafting a landing page, a personal blog, or an online store, these foundational steps will help you get started on the right foot. Remember, website design on platforms like Squarespace is an iterative process. The more you experiment and refine, the better your end result will be. Thanks for watching and happy building.